walks like the sunrise, grace in every step, colors wrapped in stories, secrets that she kept. Gold and crimson swirling like fire and the sea. A queen in her kingdom, just let her be free. Tie it high, let it shine, let the whole world see that beauty in the wrap is more than royalty. Every fold a whisper, every knot a sign. She's art, she's strength, she's spirit divine. With a crown in the fabric, she reigns in style. Lovely lady, wear that wrap and smile. From Ankara to silk, from cotton to lace, a tapestry of power wrapped around her face. In markets and boardrooms, she's fierce and she's bold. Her head wrap tells stories untold. She's